Welcome, everyone. Trying to move a boat on land without strapping it down is a disaster waiting to happen.
We might have everything hooked. Oh, okay. That definitely was a show.
About to go fishing, my boys.
Well, I'm about to eat me a gator already.
Look at them gators. Look at that. Look at them gators over there. Bob, they're waiting for us. Oh, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, Tico. Go, Tico. Yo. Oh, yo, yo.
Luckily, nobody was harmed, but this shows why keeping safe distances and controlling speed during boat races is essential. In the northwestern Black Sea, off the coast of Ukraine, a ship collides with an anchored vessel, proving that anchored doesn't mean safe if others aren't paying attention. Now, this is why transporting your boat safely and double-checking straps is non-negotiable. DIY gone wrong. Maybe consult an engineer next time.
Oh my God.
Collision in Dana Point, California, leaves viewers holding their breath. Fortunately, no one was harmed.
No, that's done. Oh, go back. He's gonna get stuck. Go back. 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 Go back.
Do not attempt this. Ships this big don't have a pause button.
Okay.
Just slow down. Go back. Oh my God. Holy sh**.
Stop the goddamn boat.
Just stop! How many boats have you guys hit?
Now, this is what happens when you don't learn your flags before hitting the water.
Go faster!
No.
Go faster! Oh!
Yes!
Sugar muffins!
Yes! I've never seen it live before. That was awesome.
Luckily, the driver was unharmed, but remember, high speeds and sharp maneuvers leave zero room for error on the water. Thankfully, no one was harmed, but this is a clear reminder that safe and responsible driving isn't just for the road. It's equally vital at sea. All that for some kingfish? Please do not attempt this. Always follow speed regulations and prioritize safety. Thankfully, nobody was harmed, but that's certainly one way to end the competition. When moving a boat, it's crucial to use proper straps, balance the load, and drive safely.
What the fuck is he doing? What the fuck is he doing, dude?
If in too deep were a real thing.
It's good right there.
Strong winds snapped the mooring lines. The ship lost power, and with no propulsion, it drifted straight into Rome's city wall. A perfect storm of bad timing and failed systems. Boat launching 101. What not to do. Please don't use this as a guide. Thankfully, he was okay, but always confirm your gear position, especially near docks and other boats.
Good. You might in the video to put the message across.
Careful, Lockie, you're pretty shallow.
For us? Yeah. Holy shit, yeah. No bad.
While attempting to pass a bridge in Miami, Utopia 4 was caught in tug wash and stern thruster currents, pulled sideways, and slammed into the bridge.
Oh my gosh. That is not good. So now what do you do?
Push through.
But he might have a hole in his foot.
He's in a terrible spot.
No. Okay, that's what I thought. No.
Here's a life-saving tip. Never unhook the winch when your boat is out of the water.
Why is he going back and forth?
A jet skier repeatedly cuts across the bow of the Sun Princess as it departs Port Everglades, Florida, until a pilot boat steps in and forces him out of the ship's path.
08 9. 08 9. Yes.
Let's go, Austin! Come on, Austin! You got this! You got this! Don't let go! Come on, come on, come
God damn, we about to wreck. We about to wreck, literally. Literally, the boat just wrecked.
I guess he just fucking doesn't want to bother. Here you go, boys. It's doable. Who would have ever thought?
An abandoned boat being removed as part of St. Lucie County's effort to clear local waterways in Fort Pierce, Florida. Crews have already taken out 18 abandoned vessels, with more under investigation. Now, this is exactly why every boat owner should have a tow membership, because the moment you say, "I'll be fine," the sea has a way of proving otherwise.
Look it out. The guy's walking on the other side. Look at how shallow that is.
The captain and crew of MV Caledonian Isles execute a clean, controlled arrival at Ardrossan Harbour, Scotland. Hats off to their seamanship.
No, bro, he's not here. He's far as away. You lost your diver, bro. Bro, did you guys pay that guy to try to kill you?
Sometimes using a tagline, float line, and a compass can prevent a lot of problems.
Yeah, but what a sausage. He lost.
He was gonna sit there and wait.
He was, oh no, my divers are over here. I'm like, what are you talking about, dude?
Y'all okay? Thank you guys. Yeah, we're good. Thank you.
I'm gonna stay here till he gets here.
Hey, we gotta make up those lines.
That's the second time that exact same boat got hit, so the frustration makes perfect sense.
No.
Film it.
Don't make the same mistake. Stay safe on the boat and avoid risky moves.
Oh my god! Oh my god! You got that on video! Turn off the engine! Turn off the engine!
Oh, he's gonna hit the concrete on this one. Get into the concrete now.
Number one rule on water: the bigger boat always wins.
Oh my god, they're gonna do it again, dude. That was their boat too, they're on it. That's even worse.
Hey, their anchor line's hanging off their valves.
Don't floor it! Don't floor it! God dang! Oh!
Turns out legs are no match for actual boat propulsion.
Come on, baby!
Luckily, no one was harmed as the Maltese container ship struck the quay wall in Germany while trying to avoid a small motor yacht on the Elbe River. The Ports and Maritime Authority confirmed that the cargo vessel sank about 57 miles north of Libya's Green Mountain area while en route to Lebanon. Never risk it. Hanging your legs in the water next to a running motor is a horrible idea.
She's something. She's definitely sick.
The worst thing would be if this was the runs.
Close enough only counts in horseshoes, not boat parking. Now, that's exactly why you never let the back of your boat swing towards shore.
The boys are trying to put the boat into the water. And the car is slipping. Watch, look. Car and boat gone. F***ing hell.
Vai tirar o carro. Maluco. Vai tirar o carro.
Que porra é esse, cara? Olha quanto que ele entrou.
O carro, porra! Não, família!
Meu Deus, cara.
Nossa, sai daí, meu.
Que porra é essa, cara? O carro tá boiando.
Jumping on a propeller while the engine's running? Yeah, that's a hard no, because one slip is all it takes for things to go very wrong. They probably thought it was an icebreaker. New boat, no experience, docking disaster. Thankfully, no one was hurt. He's fine, but this is why life jackets are important.
Se le fue el gafo. Cuidado.
Next time, maybe distribute the weight evenly. It'll keep you off the internet for all the wrong reasons.
He's trying to get out.
He can't get out because he's trying. He got to get off the fucking rail.
Yeah.
He's got to be careful with the truck next to him, too.
He needs somebody to pull him out.
down or some weight in the back. He just didn't pull his hand